Hey, today I'm going to be showing you how to take two fields of data and merge them into one field in Excel. The version we're using is Excel 2016, but you should be able to use this from anywhere from 2010, 2013, 2016, and 2019. So these same methods will apply for those versions. So let's go ahead. So I've seen a lot of cases, a lot of people want to take two fields of data, example first name and the last name, and merge it into one column. Either for a mail merge or whatever. They just want to have those combined. And usually I see them select both fields and do merge and center. But what that's going to do is going to delete whatever's in that second column, and it's going to merge those two fields together, but it's going to delete this data in this second row, so we don't want that. So to get through that, we can just select our next field here where we want the first and last name to be, and you can run this command equals, and we're going to select the first column, which is going to be A2, so you can see it automatically highlighted in blue. Then you're going to do the AND statement, and since we're going to want a space between the first name and last name, so it's not just crunched together, you're going to want to put in parentheses, and then space, and then parentheses again, and then the ampersand, and then we're going to select our second field, which is going to be B2. So you can see now our second field is selected, and once we hit enter, there you have it. Now you have John Smith all in one field. Now if you want to replicate this to all the other fields, so you don't have to keep doing that same command, and just go to that field until you go and see how you get the little kind of cross arrow icon that you see right here. Once you get that icon, you just double click, and I'll repeat that same function and change the field for each field. So that's how quick and easy you can replicate that. We're going to go ahead and use another function, tab over, and select our first column again, A2, comma, parentheses to create our space, another comma, and then B2 for our next field, and then close parentheses. Now, I know a lot of people are going to fight me on this. You don't have to use comma. You can just use the ampersand again here, which is fine. You can do either one. It's still going to work. And then hit enter. And now we have our John Smith all in one field. And then if we double click, once we get that arrow, it'll replicate all that on that field. And now you can take this data, select that, copy, and then paste it in another column, and just paste the values. So that's going to be right there. So when you paste the values, that means you can now really just delete this and put these back if you wanted to, or keep that formula there. But that keeps it so now you can play with this data and do another formula or something else there. So that's how easy it is to do that merge. Alright, so once you have that, and let's say you wanted to add some extra text to this. So let's just create another field called, family name. Then what we can do here is equals. We're going to select the last name, which is going to be B2. Then we're going to do our AND, parentheses, space, and we'll type in family, parentheses, and hit enter. So it'll just bring over that second field, and we just added text to the end of that last name. So if you wanted to do that for some reason, then you can just select that and it'll show all those names there. So that's it, you guys. It's that easy. Those three simple, really two simple commands, very easy. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.